Mesh Form is a highly flexible tool that lets you apply various textures such as glossing. I already prepared a line drawing of a girl whose skirt has no texture. I just added some shadows, and now I want to add some pattern to her skirt using Mesh Form. So first let's open the material tool. And now let's select close pattern color. These are the close patterns we can choose. For example, I want to select this one. And once the texture is applied, let's select Mesh Form to adjust the size of the material. I'll set the division X and Y to 1 first so it's easier to adjust the initial position of the pattern, and then I will increase them as I see fit. Division X lets us change the horizontal partition and division Y lets us change the vertical partition. By increasing the number of divisions, we can distort the image as precisely as we want. Repeat X and repeat Y lets us change the horizontal and vertical density of the shape. By using the repeat function, we can adjust the density of the shape to fit our artwork for a more natural expression. And once we are done positioning the pattern, we can tap on the green tick button. Now let's erase the parts of the pattern that protrude from the line and color the rest of the skirt. Text tool lets us enter text easily and is even capable of vertical writing, which is an essential function in manga drawing. Let's see how to use text tool. First, let's select Text tool from the Tool Selection window. Now let's tap on the canvas so we can add a text. And then let's tap on the Add Text to enter our text in the blank box. With the Font button, we can change the font. By clicking on the center button, we can make the text align to the left, middle, and right. And by clicking on the horizontal, we can write the text horizontally or vertically. Let's test them. Let's tap on the Size option. In Size tab, we can drag the slider left or right to adjust the size. Next, let's tap on the Style option. In a Style tab, we can change the color of the font or a stroke. We can change the color of the border at the stroke color. And we can also change the thickness of the border by dragging the thickness slider left or right. Next, let's tap on the Background option. In Background tab, we can change the background color. Initially, the opacity level of the background is at 0%, we can slide the opacity slider to the right to increase the opacity level. The margin width and the margin height for the background color can be adjusted by dragging these sliders. Next, let's tap on the spacing option. In a spacing tab, we can change the spacing between characters by dragging the top slider left or right. We can also adjust the space between rows by dragging the bottom slider left or right. If we slide left, we can see the order and delete options. We use order function to arrange the position of the text to be front or back. And we can use the delete option to delete our text. Here I have an artwork of half of this character's face and I want to enlarge the canvas size so I can draw the other half of this face as well. For that, let's tap on Canvas in the tool selection window. Next, let's tap on Change Canvas Size command. Keep aspect ratio will keep the given ratio between the width and height of the canvas. Let's turn this option off. Turning off the aspect ratio will let us change the canvas size freely. We can change the width and height of the canvas by pixels. Origin lets us align the canvas. And once we are done, we can tap on the green tick button. Next, we want to move this face to the right so we can draw the other half. For that, let's select Transform tool in the tool selection window. Now, if we try to change the canvas position, we see that the position of the current layer will be transformed. To resolve this issue, let's go to the bottom of the Transform settings and from Target select Canvas. Now you can see the whole canvas will be transformed. Let's set the position and complete the artwork. And that's it for today's tutorial. Hope you enjoyed and understood it. If you have any question or suggestion, please comment. And don't forget to like and subscribe. I hope to see you in the next part of this tutorial.